Honda, nigga. I got that big dough, that long money, that fucking stress though. Nigga, use a pussy, fuck with me, I'm at your front door. Ain't ringing no doorbell and ain't knocking up at your door. Nigga, use a pussy, fuck with me, we coming through your door. Mac a lamb, we let the brick, we choppin', make them 100 belt, 100 belt, them 100 clip. Fuck with me, I make it drip. Keep your body mad, keep your bed, use a glad bag. Nigga, use a pussy, have you walking like Daffy Duck. Daffy Duck. Had you walking like Daffy Duck. Like Daffy Duck. Okay, like I said before, have you walking like Daffy Duck. Mickey Mouse the beat, so I had to Donald Duck it. Nigga use a pussy, fuck with me, I'm quack. I'll walk to the shit, nigga fuck with me, I bring it back. No, you misunderstood me. I'm not quack, I'm King T, I'm King Tut, so bet that I rep that. That A squad, that bitch squad ain't bout that. Take your bitch to suck my dick, she suck my clip, better suck my dick. Nigga, I'm God, I'm real shit and no order. I'm really than me fucking brother, really than your fucking mama. You's a bitch, nigga. Tell your dad, he suck my dick. Tell your girl to suck my dick, cause your bitch, she fuck my bitch, she fuck my bitch, she fuck my nigga, my squad. We bout to kill her, fuck with us, we gotta kill her, fuck with us, we gotta feel her. Mac a left, they gon' hit the ground, Mac a left, gon' touchdown, that chop squad, that A squad, I'ma kill that.